Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Turn on location services and open Apple Maps so it can pinpoint you accurately. Once done, give the app permission while using app and tap the search bar. Type the address, place name, or coordinates directly. This is faster and avoids guessing. Make sure the device has a clear view of the sky for GPS if possible. After search results appear, select the correct match. This begins the routing process and sets up the next actions. Now set the route. Tap directions and pick driving, walking, or transit depending on your trip. Once chosen, tap route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries if you need a specific path. Preview the suggested route and swipe up to reveal turn-by-turn steps and ETA. This helps you anticipate complex intersections. If there are multiple routes, compare time and distance, and pick the one that matches your needs. Make sure cellular or offline map data. Tap Go to begin turn-by-turn navigation and listen to voice prompts. Follow lane guidance and junction views when shown. If you go off course, maps will reroute automatically. Tap an alternate route if you prefer a different path. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving isn't blocking notifications, and keep volume up for spoken directions. If navigation stops or location is wrong, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart maps, and confirm location services is enabled. That usually restores GPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.